Ali, malungin sa mga and welcome back to Around the Island. I'm your host, Katie Delano, and I hope you missed me. Before we move on with our usual content, I would just like to take a brief moment to recognize someone who had a profound impact on many lives. Someone I had deep respect and admiration for. If I'm being honest, I still don't know what to say. It's hard for me to find the right words when words usually come so easy to me. But if there's one thing I do know, is that Christian LOL was something special. He was a student, a friend, a brother, a son, a loved one. He was a trailblazer, a leader, and someone who had a lot of potential. There was no one like Christian. He was a spark, a light. He saw what needed to be done, and he did it, without any hesitation. His actions spoke louder than words, yet when he did speak, he captivated the hearts and minds of those in attendance. He united those who were once on opposing sides to stand together and make Palau better, to stand on the same values our ancestors did so long ago. He began Budilrail alongside our teacher, Mr. G, and the boys he was once enemies with. That was something never done before. That was something great, something amazing, and that is something that will be taught in history and talked about in future years. You will live on forever in the hearts of those you have touched. Christian, you did the hard part. You lit the torch, and it is now up to us to carry it on and make sure that it remains ablaze. It is never easy losing a loved one, but we have to remember that they are never truly gone. They live on in the hearts of those they touched and the memories of those they were with. So this week's show is dedicated to all those who have passed away and those who were close to them, their friends, their families, their loved ones, those they knew, and those they cared about. And this show is also dedicated for all of those who have lost someone important in their life. This show is dedicated to Christian LOL, a monumental leader. Now, moving on with our usual program, here are the upcoming events and going-ons in this month of June and early week of July. On Sunday, June 23, is International Yoga Day. It starts at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. at the Ngar Amayong Cultural Center. For those of you who are ready to let loose and stretch it out and do some downward dog, that's the event for you. On the same day, the Civic Action Team will be hosting a 3x3 basketball tournament at the KES gym. This also starts at 9 a.m., and there will be popcorn and drinks as well as prizes to win. There is an emotional support summer program that is going to be held at Ngatmadu from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. on June 24th and June 25th. This program is open to all the PHS students. But if you are interested in joining the program, please don't hesitate to contact Counselor Amanda Shiro at the PHS School Health Office. Also happening on June 25th is the AD Arts Center. They are hosting an acrylic painting session at the PCC Urur Labs. PCC also has a summer intercession program running from June 24th to July 5th. They offer courses such as Singapore Math, English, computer application, and many more. You can contact the CE office for more information. Another Intercession Day camp is happening, running from July 1st to July 5th at the Mayun's Community Cultural Center. They are accepting 50 applicants, and they offer informal sessions, cultural activities, as well as physical and mental health wellness activities. Now, don't worry, teachers, we also have some interesting programs coming up for you as well. Pickrick is offering a 3-day developmental workshop for 5th to 8th graders. This 3-day workshop will include research presentations, a microscope demonstration, lesson plans based around marine science research, as well as a field trip to the Pickrick Chica Mangrove Eco Tour project in Ngiwon. This program will run from July 2nd to July 4th. Now, this week's show is being sponsored by 680 Motorsports. Okay, now believe it or not, bills do need to get paid, and I don't offer this face for free. So 680 Motorsports are offering an assortment of auto repair services such as regular car maintenance that includes oil change, engine tune-ups, and many more. They also offer aesthetic services such as tint application, car audio systems, and other body works and repairs. Their business hours are from Monday to Saturday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They are located across the Scotcho Ramiyuns, and you can contact them at 488-8311 for more information. I would share more, but honestly and personally, I know nothing about cars. So it's best to contact them and specifically ask for Brent for more inquiries about the services they offer. Now, to end our time together on a higher note, here are some special shoutouts. Shout out to this year's elementary school Termeteet. Congrats on leveling up to high school status, and good luck in high school. You're gonna need it. Shout out to Team Palau and all the athletes, especially our very own Ignacio Blalaluk and Emmanuel Adaba. Y'all keep stacking those medals, you hear? Now, speaking of Team Palau, please help me welcome back and congratulate our very own FestPac delegation. Now, that's it for now. So follow our page and YouTube channel for more updates and content like this. And if this video gets more than 500 likes, me and my producers, Bruce and Ngewaklo, will film our reactions to eating stinky fermented fish, surströmming. Till then, this is KTV signing off.